Yo, this don't look good. Become the car, brother. Judge you. Sure.
I put that gas. Blood clam, don't know it about, brother. Man, them nothing. No, it damn wheel them lock too. I'm patrol is so.
Yeah, man. What? I feel now we are just in their land still, you know.
I mean, river coast, yeah. See it, yeah. See it, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this time I tie up film on the light post, just trying to want it wash away still. But I just live still. Yeah, see them man. All I
Just look on the car, this when it is. Look on the car, you can see this. And see how high stone they are from the car. So man, we see that like the man they go stone for right, so you know what happened. He take himself make boat. Oh where the go. Yeah man, you pussy clout, yo. You bumper clout, yo. I tell you for what, then man. Oh the blood clot. We don't want to do this still now. Into a blood clot stomach, man. Bumbucker, I not see him. Not see him. Jesus Christ, oh, see pussy hole there. Pussy hole,
Jesus Christ. Me I tell you now. What a condition.
River come down, you know.
My friend left from the house, you know.
Can you cross it?
Hey! Can you cross it? What?
Which is right?
It is both sides there, that's right. Yeah.
Waffed! You waffed, man.
Miss Miserable?
This is actually the debris that is across the road, and that's where it's coming from. Car is stuck, well, bus rather, stuck, and this car right here is stuck also. And this is the main road to Hanover from Montego Bay. So Lucy, we are go. See the unity intersection.
No, you want big thing to lick the house. And when you lick your house, I want big tall water, me she come. Watch on my bed. Me up on the bed, me have to turn up. Which escape the water. Me 54 gun, me 3 chains. Come with me and call up, come on. Uno just come and call up. Keep it in time. 1, 2, 3, 2 of them run around. The bag, everything.
So based on help with the community members, they clear out a part of the road so that the cars can go through.
Yeah, man, look at you all low that one go on. gully cruise well, so I'm not forget. I'm not respond. Just a big shell in the post like a vibrate like a earthquake that come. Water will go for anything in the weather, man. Okay, so reach up on top of the other than up there, who that break up? Are you that? You take it to the joke. You think you can swim in on it?
Right now, we're coming to go to the make it cool. Check it out. You have to go, move. No, I tell them to do. Check it out. Hey, no go in there.
As I can see, niggas say is washing away. We got Ezra here from Big Yard. Niggas say is washing away. All those members that go to the border, please remember your family. Please remember your family to send food and barren. Clothes shoes is December. Rat TV is here, niggas lane. Live on my old drive. Live. So let me say, live, ready?
Ooh, please flood out.
Well, and it starts raining now. We're supposed to have depression passing over Jamaica that is going to be causing lots and lots of flooding. It's raining now. Rainy day in Jamaica right now. It's raining so hard. And I'm in Portland, Jamaica.
Yo,